What's going on, everyone? So I have this Heidi Swapp um, wall word kit that I picked up a while back on clearance, and I wanted to go ahead and show and do a little review on it because I see that the word wall kit. I don't know why that's bothering me to get that out, but the wall word kit is still available online and through Joann's. When I looked, it was probably about double the price, but it's a product that's still out there. So um, I was getting ready to use it on this project. I have this terracotta pot that I painted, and I wanted to go ahead and use the foil on the top portion of it. Also, while opening the kit, there is some wooden letters and wooden pieces in there, and I wanted to go ahead and use the silver, on them, and I was going to use the gold on the product, on the pot that I have there in the upper corner of the screen. So right here, I'm just taking the products out. There is the gold and then the silver. It's a 6-piece kit. Next is the two word pieces. There's a symbol arrow, and then there's the word love. So I was going to do those silver. And then there is a ribbon, and then there is a tag. And so that makes the 6 pieces. And those boxes, the box that it came in, I really like the box. So I'll hang on to that. But the little plastic pieces in the packaging, I just, went on and tossed those away. But I have that box also from her Christmas cards that she had, the snow globe. So I went on and hung on to that. So first of all, I'm just going to get some thick cardstock paper and put it under my project so that the flakes, thinking that I would be able to just toss the flakes back into, just like when I use glitter, to put them back into the packaging there. So I put something under my surface so it'll be easier just to swoop up. So looking at the box and then inside of it, I didn't see any instructions. So that's the number one thing. Well, you can probably say, well, Mel, you should know what to do here. You don't need instructions. No, but just like there's products that you think that don't need instructions on it, this one, it would have just been helpful, how she would recommend to use the product. Um, Her special glue pens, um, doing one small surface at a time, anything of that nature that would help. I would just appreciate it. So that's, the first thing I noticed is there wasn't any instructions on the box or inside the box for the project. So I didn't like that. So right here, I'm just taking Mod Podge because I thought that would cover a surface better than just using a glue pen. So I'm just soaking that down on the symbol and then the word here. And I don't think that had any effect of it because, as you can see later on, my thing with this is I've been wanting to try the I think they call them gilding flakes. I've been wanting to try them for years. I've seen people use them on projects, and I've never played with them myself. So I wanted to, play with them and see how they worked on a project. So I think that for me, if you're covering a big painting or something where you have a surface and you just are just covering, there's no like little small holes you're trying to put in, you're trying to cover a big surface. I think that that would be cool. Also, if you're doing a small stamping surface where you've got an image and you're just covering the skirt of a little girl or something, a small image, and you just need to fill that in with the flakes, then I think that would be cool. But this wording where you're you're putting it in this small, and you've got nooks and crannies. For me, it was a no. For me, it's a no. As you can see here, I'm just filling it in. As you can see here, I'm just filling it in on the word and pressing down, and you see it's coming out in clumps, and it's, I imagine it to be messy. But like I said, if I was doing a pouring project, I'm trying to think of the name of it. I can't think of the name of it right now, but a project where I'm just going to add a few flakes in there, or a big surface, then, maybe I think that there would have been. But for this kit, I don't know. Like I said, I'm not knocking down Heidi Swapp herself. She has great projects out there. She has an empire. She has a lot of papers and, things that I've used before. I'm not knocking that. It's just that this is me. This is Mel. I'm giving an honest review. And to me, this word wall kit, it's a no for me. I just didn't like it. It's just it's a mess. It's taking too long here, and I edit it and cut, and I'm still not nowhere. So